Nature's Power, a biologically engineered grease buildup remover and drain maintainer, harnesses the power of 200 billion bacteria to rapidly and naturally digest grease. The multi-strain bacteria system exhibits rapid degradation of grease, proteins, carbohydrates, cellulose, and fats. The outstanding anaerobic capabilities in low oxygen environments include degradation of complex waste materials. The all-natural ingredients make this a truly environmentally safe choice. That all contributes to drain lines flowing along, and with grease traps and septic tanks functioning at optimum efficiency with Nature's Power.